What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you how to play She Couldn't by Linkin Park. So we got the keyboard on the first fret to make this as super easy as possible. We have one main riff going throughout the whole song. So let's have a look at it, but before that it's actually important to have a look at the chords. Don't need to worry about the structure of the song because it's the same thing going throughout the whole song. Just one riff and you're actually done. In case you want to strum in some parts, and that's the reason I just want to show you the chords first. The first chord will be a D minor, which is mute, mute, open, second, third, first. I'll make sure to put that keyboard on the first fret. And then we have a B flat, which is mute, 1, 3, 3, 3, 1. You can play it easy way like this, however you just want to play. If you struggle a lot playing the bar chord, feel free to drop a comment down below. I will actually provide you with one of my videos showing how to master the bar chord. Next chord is F major, which is 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. You can just play it like this, super easy. And then we have a C major, which is mute, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. And that's it for the chords. So with no further delay, let's hop into the main thing. The chord progression will be a D minor 7, then a B flat, then a C. And the next time will be a D minor. You replace the B flat with the F, and then a C. So it's the same thing, but what happened is we just altered between two things. We go to D minor, B flat, C. Next time we play D minor, F, C. Next time we play D minor, B flat, C. Next time we play D minor, F, C. And that's how it just goes on throughout the whole song. So have a look at the tab. I'm using my thumb to play the E string, A string, or the D string. Make sure you use the thumb to play the bass note. It's actually on the E string, A string, or the D string. Index for the G string, middle finger for the B string, and ring finger for the high E string. I actually start off with a D minor chord, but this is a bit different chord shape, which is second fret on the G string and first fret on the B string. I play the D string open, second fret on the G string, first fret on the B string, then I play the high E string open. So after ringing that high E string or playing the high E string, just keep your hand on the string to get the sound of the chord immediately. So you got. So after muting that, you're just gonna play the first fret on the B string. Then you play second fret on the G string, then first fret on the G string. Second fret on the G string, first fret on the B string. So we got one more time. After that, you're just gonna move on to the B flat shape, but you know, to hold the full shape, we're just gonna have our index finger bar on that first fret. It's a bit hard, but I'm sorry for that. I have to about that. It's a bit hard, obviously. So get your index finger bar on the first fret, and then put your ring finger on the G string, third fret, and you play the A string, G string, high E string. And you want a C major chord, you play the A string, G string, B string, G string. So you got. So that's what basically. So let's play that first part a couple of times. And after that, second part is actually pretty much the same. There's some slight variation over here. We play the D minor in the same way we played before. Then we move on to the F major chord. We just hold the third fret on the D string, second fret on the G string, first fret on the B string. We play the D string, third fret, G string, second fret. After playing the G string second fret, you're just gonna put your pinky on the third fret of the high E string. So it's like F major 7 with an added 9, but the name doesn't make any sense. So we're just gonna play the D string, G string, then the high E string. Then we're just gonna move on to the C major chord. You play the A string, then the G string, then the B string, and now you just remove all the shape, and you have your pinky on the 5th fret on the B string, and you're just gonna do a slide from 5 to all the way back down to any fret you want. Like you just let that go out. So this is the second part. That's basically everything. So let me play it from the beginning 2 times. I'm very slowly. I'm actually playing this part. that's everything. You can obviously pause the video, have a look at the chord shapes, at the tab, practice, and then just play along with me, and you can obviously replay a lot number of times you want. Now you know the chord progression, so in case you want to strum, you can actually strum the chords. So D minor, like any song of Linkin Park, it actually gets, I can have a different vibe over here. So D minor, then C, B flat, I'm sorry, then a C. So D minor, F, C, D minor, B flat, C, D minor, F, C, and that's how it just goes on for the whole song. You can implement any string pattern on these chords if you want. You know the basic, guys, you know the chord progression, you know the rhythm, so it's now up to you. But I showed you the main riff. I tried to show you in the best way possible with keep on the first fret and making it the most easy on the other hand. So that's it for this lesson. So if this helps you out, make sure to subscribe to this channel, because I just want to reach 2K subscribers as fast as possible. You can see how much hard I'm actually working right now. So with this sub before work, this one's hard, and you can actually understand if I just get subscriber multiplied in 10, I will be working a lot. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm actually quite sleepy right now, working hard from the morning, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Drop a comment below any other song that you want on your guitar, and bye.